Yeah.
Sorry.
No, hi, this is Bhavna from
Hi,
Bollywood
Bhavna.
Bubble.
Hi. Hi.
My question is to Mrunal. Mrunal, though it is a special cameo that you have in the film, it is quite effective that we can see from the trailer.
चलो सबको समझ तो पड़ गया कि स्पेशल कैमियो है.
आपने सर क्लियर कर दिया ना. आप ही ने बोला ना. But I want to know from you that, you know, you have, I mean, we all meet and you have seen journalists all your, throughout your journey, right? To be on the other side of the fence, what was it like? And also, Karthik, I want to ask you, that, you know, of course you mentioned that you kind of understood the journey.
पहले मृणाल का क्वेश्चन खत्म.
Yeah, I just want to complete.
बहुत चीजें याद करनी पड़ जाएगी. वो आप कर
पहले मृणाल को पूछते.
Okay, Mrunal, what was it like to be on the other side of the fence?
First of all, I'm so happy to see you all after 2 years, and I'm really overwhelmed to see you all here. Answering your question, I feel आप लोग नहीं जानते, लेकिन I was doing journalism, and I always wanted to be a crime journalist. ये फिल्म क्या खोया क्या पाया उसके बारे में है. अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो ज़िंदगी में एज एन एक्टर मैंने राम माधवानी के साथ काम करके वो जो एक मौका जो पाया था मेरे लिए बहुत अहम, बहुत ज़रूरी और बहुत, ही इज़ लाइक माई ड्रीम डायरेक्टर टू वर्क विद. जैसे मुझे ये मौका मिला, आई मेड श्योर दैट I had to make it work. I literally, I think you guys know we shot this movie in 11 days.
Yeah.
And he made it possible for me.
Yeah.
I flew from Jersey set straight to Dhamaka set. मेरा पहली बार experience था. मुझे लगा कि शायद as a journalist, you know, it's बहुत responsibility होती है to be on the field, reporting everything. You need to make sure that you're you know, always on your toes. तो बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे मैंने, रिसर्च किया, सर्स के you know workshops हुए, और it's a very tough job. And I must say, each and everybody sitting here in this room, I'm extremely proud of you all, क्योंकि मेरा कभी-कभी when I was playing सौम्या, मुझे मृणाल को डर लगने लगता था. I used to, मेरा दम घुटने लगता था कि how will I be able to do it? तो every day was like risky. So it was difficult, I must say, but this was very important for me. This role was very important for me, for Mrunal to discover many things. And जो सपना मेरा college के दौरान जो पूरा नहीं हुआ to be a crime journalist, I think through Dhamaka that happened. And Ram sir, thank you so much for that.
No, Mrunal, first of all, to work with Mrunal means that you get lost in her eyes, because her eyes are so expressive that you're there and then she just grabs the camera, right? So she's so vulnerable, so sensitive, so emotional that I'm quite feeling blessed that she said yes to us. Because I had to, and I didn't have to ask too often, but at least when I asked, she said yes. So thank you for that, Mrunal. Yeah.
That's lovely, actually.
And I think for an actor to motivate me to do that and to keep my vision has been a great collaborative strength from Karthik and from Mrunal and from Amrita, who've committed to where I want to go. So it's really not to do with the number of days, it's just the way that I work. In Neerja, I did shoot the plane in 12 days. I work very fast, but I also give lunch breaks and I give dinner breaks and I do a 12-hour shift.
But if I can add to that, I have to say that when you get the script scene-wise, like, but in the Dhamaka script, when I received, I got it chapter-wise. So it was divided in 9 chapters, chapter 1 to chapter 9. Yep. And Ram sir made sure that each and every actor went through the workshops, made sure that we all were on the same page. Like अगर नींद से भी अगर मुझे कोई उठा के पूछे कि chapter 6 में क्या है, so I should be able to tell that, even though I'm not a part of that chapter. So that's how thorough, not just the actors, but the entire crew, the entire team, and the way Ram sir had organized everything. There was a video village. Is that what we call? There was a video village.
It was called a PCR room.
PCR room, yeah. So there was like multiple monitors. There were like tents for different departments so that everyone is doing their job. Nobody's coming on set. Also shooting for me on a green screen was very challenging because it was a lot of imagination. And the way Ram sir explained it to me, the way during workshops, when we went on floor, when we were on set, we literally just rolled and we finished it in like what, 2 or 3 takes maximum, that's it. And I think that was the brilliant experience of my life, and this is exactly what I was craving for a long time, to work with my dream director, Ram sir, and I can say this, that this is my jewels that I have collected in my jewelry box.
Thank
So
you,
yeah.
Kunal, that's very sweet. Thank you. But to get Karthik and also Amruta to speak about it for just a minute, and they should all speak only nice things about me. Let's make that very clear. Amruta, please. You know.
Want to hear engaging stories. They'll want to go to the movie theaters for what they want to see, which is very visual. And the fact of the matter, the beauty of OTT is you can watch at any time you want. And the element of OTT success has always been binge watching, right? So I think those are very, very different audience trends. And I think it's just natural for it to happen.
रोनी सर, क्या आपको भी लगता है कि मतलब दोनों को एग्जिस्ट करेंगे सिनेमा हॉल्स भी, क्योंकि 22 से तो मतलब सबसे बड़ा सर्किट खुल रहा था, तो मतलब आप लोग कंसीडर कर सकते थे कि मतलब चलो ये पैरेलल लाते हैं या फिर 2 हफ्ते के गैप के बाद?
देखिए, हम लोग ज़्यादा करके बोल रहे हैं कि ये बदलाव एक्चुअली इट्स ऑल एन एंड नॉट एन और आप ये समझ के आगे चले तो आई थिंक इट विल बी मच बेटर, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट एन और सिचुएशन, नथिंग इज चेंज्ड इन दैट फॉर्म, whatever you look at that. So if you're on a platform or you're not on a platform, I don't think it makes a difference. Audiences will follow a good story wherever they really want to go. So I don't think anything is changed forever. It's not like when single screens were there, then multiplexes came, and then you said, will you stop watching in a 1,000 people theater and go to a 60 cinema theater? Or it's an evolution that happens. And I think today the only thing I would say that is going to change is how we're going to define a hit and a super hit.
Yeah, true.
And I think that definition will change, because a movie can be a super hit anywhere it wants to. The only definition of super hit is never a box office. It's how much you connect with the audience. And if the audience connects with it and then it becomes an evergreen movie, that is going to be the definition of a super hit, and not a Friday night, a Saturday night, or a Sunday night.
So, हाँ, मैं producers के क्या ये new age producer हैं जिन्होंने मुझे साइन किया? सर आपने मुझे क्यों साइन किया? सर आप ही बताइए। मैं इतने बड़े प्रोड्यूसर यहाँ पे बैठे हैं अमित।
Karthik, you signed me, I didn't.
No, sir.
Yeah, he's signing all of us. Karthik has the power to sign all of us.
ऐसे, हाँ सर, हाँ जी।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir, for your question. Thank you very much. Perhaps another time. बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबके सवालों के लिए. Thank you very much. And thank you very much to the...
अभी रुक जाओ.
Last question. Go for
it. Okay. सर बैठो. नहीं, ऑफ कहाँ किया? आप बोलो ना, सब सुनो.
आगे.
मैम. नमस्ते मैम.
Thank you.
एक्चुअली मैं कार्तिक से जो सवाल करना चाह रही थी वो कहीं और गया, लेकिन मैं एक दूसरा सवाल आपसे करना चाह रही हूँ. कार्तिक, जिस तरह से जब तक ये जो सिनेमा का जो नया तरीका है जिसे हम OTT कहते हैं, वो जब तक नहीं था, एक प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, एक एक्टर पे एक होता है ना, एक फ्राइडे का एक प्रेशर रहता था कि बॉक्स ऑफिस क्या होगा, क्रिटिक्स का क्या वो रहेगा. तो जब इस तरह का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, वो आपका दिल अभी भी धक-धक कर रहा है, या आपको लगता है कि नहीं, वहाँ से एक राहत है, वहाँ से एक सुकून है? मतलब ये सवाल आपके लिए है, क्योंकि आपने बहुत सारी ब्लॉकबस्टर और बहुत सारी इस तरह की फिल्में सिनेमा में दी हैं, पर ये आपका OTT डेब्यू है. जी.
जैसा कि रोनी सर ने अभी बोला था कि ये और नहीं हो गया, अभी एंड है कि ये स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म एंड थिएट्रिकल्स है. फिल्म जो हिट होती है वो पता लग जाता है कि कौन सी फिल्म अच्छी है, कौन सी बुरी है. आई थिंक वो एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल है जो हम सबके साथ रहता है कि ये फिल्म पसंद आए सबको, इररिस्पेक्टिव. वो जो एक प्रेशर है कि बॉक्स ऑफिस वाला, ऑफ कोर्स वो थिएटर में एक हर बार रहता है कि एक नंबर, एक सेट ऑडियंस वहाँ पे आए जाने के लिए, बट यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा एक क्रेडिबिलिटी का प्रेशर रहता है कि फिल्म उतनी ज़्यादा जो एक ऑडियंस, इससे अभी एक्सपेक्टेशंस आई थिंक काफ़ी बढ़ भी चुकी है विद टाइम एंड विद द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट वी हैव बीन वाचिंग. उससे एक ये हो गया है कि हमने बहुत कुछ देखा हुआ है, कुछ ऐसा है जो नया है, तो आई थिंक वो जो है वो एक नया कुछ करने की, वो एक स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स ने भी एक वो एक हम लोगों के लिए, एक्टर्स के लिए स्पेसिफिकली एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म हमारे लिए भी ओपन हुआ है, एंड जो कि बहुत ही बड़ा, इनफैक्ट विद नेटफ्लिक्स ऑल्सो मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि नेटफ्लिक्स भी वन ऑफ द लीडिंग स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, और जिसमें आई थिंक ये हमारे लिए एक खुशनसीबी है कि धमाका इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आएगी, और जिस तरीके की एक ऑडियंस व्यूइंग है वहाँ पे वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत सलीके से दिया जाता है एक फिल्म को, सो आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि वो यहाँ पे हो रहा है। बट मेरा आधा प्रेशर तो राम सर, रोनी सर ने वैसे ही ले लिया, तो मेरे ऊपर कुछ प्रेशर रहा नहीं, तो आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी that he is smiling all the way.
Just one thing I want to add there, because I think everyone talks about OTT. एक और जो चीज़ है, the audience globally that is now watching Indian cinema
वो add हो गया,
gone up phenomenally.
Yeah.
And I think everyone needs to understand and appreciate that from talent, all kinds of talent. We are a soft power that has not been a soft power.
Correct.
And maybe OTT will make us a soft power. And I think that is the power of what we want to do here.
So अभी बॉक्स ऑफिस नंबर्स नहीं, ग्लोबली कितना लोग देखेंगे वो प्रेशर है ना करते